right, here we go. So what we just did is we just saw tutorial number 1, and now you have affiliate links. So it's going to show you how to join Coinbase. Now, as a super, super amazing supportive group, I'm going to ask you guys to please share your affiliate links, because yes, you can use the affiliate links that are here within CryptoBees, but to really support each other and our little tiny awesome group, it would be great if you already have a Coinbase account, put your link in this chat box, and that way you can make affiliate commissions. Of course, these are Glenn's affiliate commissions that you're going to be making. You're going to be putting money in Glenn's pocket here, but I'd love for you guys to actually be the recipient of these links. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different opportunities for you to get your affiliate link and put them in the chat box. All right, so make sure you do that. Next thing, it says maximize your crypto. These steps are not essential to the crypto commission system, yet an explanation of how to maximize your crypto balance. Once you've signed up, if you deposit $100 of equivalent into your Coinbase account, you will get an additional $10 of Bitcoin. In addition to this, inside the Coinbase dashboard under Earn Rewards and Earn and Learn, there are a number of tasks that you can undertake to earn free crypto straight into your Coinbase account. Once you have done these tasks, you can convert these cryptos into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever you prefer crypto may be. Pro tip, once you've received all your bonuses, transfer across to your BlockFi account to earn interest. Awesome, awesome pointer. All right, integrations. In this video, we will be showing you how to connect an autoresponder via the many API connections available. Here we go, integrations.
Okay, so the next step is to set up the integration. So this is to set up your autoresponder so that you can send emails to people once they've become part of your tribe. And you can send like a regular newsletter, you can send promotions, all that sort of stuff, which is congruent with the site, send offers and recommendations, for example. So the way that you're going to set this up is you're going to go to the 3 bars in the top right hand corner. It's going to bring down integrations. It's going to bring up the integration page. So you can use any of these products to connect to an autoresponder, or you can use others, okay? And you can use others just by using a form. But by coming to this page, you get to use the API and it goes directly through. So you can see we've got these buttons, and all of these products use slightly different methods to connect because they've set up the connection in a different way. Okay, so you'll see when you click on connect, this one is looking for an authorization code, and there's 5 steps to achieve that. This one is looking for 2, there's 3 steps, for example. So you can sign up with one of these products, connect, save, and then when you go into your site settings, you're going to be able to select the list, and it should be all ready to go. Now, if you want any further advice about email marketing, there will be a mini video which is beneath this somewhere. So make sure you check that out, full of advice about how to set up email autoresponder going forward, all that sort of good stuff. Okay. Now, under site settings, it's important to remember that you have this button here. So this is your integration setting. So once that's set up, you're going to come here, and whatever one you've set up, you can see that these are all grayed out apart from raw HTML form. If you've connected one, it'll be available, and you will be able to select one of them, whatever it might be, and you'll be able to choose the list, and you're ready to go. Okay. Now you can put in the raw HTML code if that is what you have selected, like you don't have the API selected. But if you do, you're going to be able to just select one of these products, choose the list, and then you're going to be able to put in a link so that when the button is pressed on the page, okay, once the button is pressed, it'll redirect to another page. It just gives you another opportunity to send people to an affiliate program, an affiliate product, social media, whatever it might be that you want to send people to, you can do that, okay? And then you're ready to go with your email marketing. As I said a few moments ago, there'll be a short video that's beneath this that you can watch to go through the full steps to set up your email autoresponder. We'll see you in the next video.
All right, that's super cool, guys. We just learned how to integrate your autoresponder. So if you're new and you're like, what the heck is an autoresponder, then just ask questions and we're here for you. And know that all of those autoresponders that you just saw in that video, those again are affiliate links. So if you have an affiliate link to any of those autoresponders, put them in the chat box. Again, Glynn is making a commission, or that company is making a commission off of those autoresponder affiliate links, and those are reoccurring revenue links. So I just want to say, hey, we're here to support each other. Why don't you make some money off of this crypto page too? And put your links in the chat box, all right? So that's another opportunity for this special workshop where we could share our links to the autoresponders, and you can get free reoccurring revenue from somebody in the group. Okay, guys, I will see you on the next video.